NerdMiner Smart TV physical product display. The box includes the device and a USB-C cable. Connect the device to a computer or a USB power adapter. After connecting the device to power, wait for it to start up. On your computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and find Nmap2 or G2. Open a browser and enter 192.168.4.1 to access the configuration page. Enter the admin page and click Configure Wi-Fi to proceed. Select your local Wi-Fi network and connect to it. Enter the password for the selected Wi-Fi network. Enter the mining pool address here. Then enter your BTC wallet address. Enter the corresponding mining pool address and port. Leave other options at default, click Save, and wait for configuration. Observe the device reboot. The configuration is complete. The top panel supports touch to switch the display. Enter the screen's IP address 192.168.0.203 to view its status. Configuration complete. Thank you for watching.